Good day, beautiful people. I am Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today I would like to share with you of the amazing Ylang Ylang Essential Oil benefits and uses. I really love this essential oil. It's so sexual and sensual and feminine, and I hope you're gonna love it too after this video. So let's dig in. Ylang Ylang, it is the queen of all the essential oils. It is one of the most charming exotic floral scents. It is sweetly floral, lavishly rich with the hints of spiciness. This intoxicating scent provides you with a calmness and positivity. It is super sensual and sexy, therefore it does act like aphrodisiac. It awakens self-confidence, sensitivity. It is mood enchanter. I personally love this essential oil. It is super feminine, empowering. It motivates me. It gives me strength, and at the same time, it does stabilizes my mood. So there's so many benefits and uses of Ylang Ylang essential oil, and some of them I would like to share with you today here. So for the calming and uplifting effects, apply a few drops of Ylang Ylang to the back of your neck. For hair, it tones the scalp, gives special shine to the hair, perfect for dry scalp, stimulates sebum production, reduces hair breakage. Massage Ylang Ylang into your scalp. Mix it with your carrier oil and use it as a deep conditioning hair mask. I love just to mix Ylang Ylang essential oil with the distilled water and just to carry with me in a little spray bottle, and I just love just to spray Ylang Ylang and with the water onto my hair for this amazing aroma. So put few drops of Ylang Ylang into your diffuser to promote calming effects and positive environment at your home. For ultimate bath experience, put Ylang Ylang essential oil into Epsom salt bath for deep, calming, soothing relaxation. Mix with carrier oil and massage onto your skin after the bath for the same amazing benefits. Use Ylang Ylang for aromatherapy steam facial, which not only opens pores, releases bacteria and dirt from your skin, but as well promotes healthy looking skin. Ylang Ylang reduces oiliness on your skin, slows down aging. It has antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic properties. It balances oil production, kills bacteria and produces new cells. Use few drops of Ylang Ylang essential oil into your daily cream, or mix it with the carrier oil to make your own simple facial oil. Just note not to use no more than 0.5% of Ylang Ylang essential oil into your formula, because it can cause irritation and sensitivity. Ylang Ylang harmonizes female hormones, increases libido, reduces PMS, spasms, and pain. Mix it with your favorite carrier oil and massage it onto your lower belly. Ylang Ylang, it is widely used in perfumes. For your own DIY perfume, mix it with your carrier oil in a roller bottle and apply on your wrist, neck, and décolleté area. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you know any other uses of Ylang Ylang essential oil and benefits, please share them with me in the comment section below. I really would love to hear it. If you like this video, put the thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I see you next week. Bye.